If you're trying to activate Verizon SIM card, or eSIM, this video will walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. Method 1. Activate through your Verizon account. Step 1. Insert your SIM or get ready for eSIM. Before anything, insert your physical SIM into your phone. If you're using an eSIM, you'll download it during activation. Step 2. Sign in to My Verizon. Open your browser and go to verizon.com. Click Login to sign in to your My Verizon account. Once you're logged in, navigate to Account, My Devices, Activate or Switch Device. This is where all SIM or eSIM activations happen. Step 3. Choose the line you want to activate. Select the phone number or line you want to activate. Choose Activate SIM or Activate eSIM, whichever applies. Step 4. Enter your device details. Verizon will ask you for two things: your IMEI number, you'll find it in Settings, About Phone. Your SIM ID, also called ICCID, is printed right on your SIM card. Enter the details, click Continue. Step 5. Complete activation. Follow the on-screen steps and confirm. Then restart your phone. Your Verizon SIM or eSIM should connect automatically. Method 2. Activate through the My Verizon app. You can do everything from your phone. Install the My Verizon app. Open it and sign in. Tap Devices, Activate or Switch Device. Pick your line and follow the steps. For eSIM, the app may give you a QR code or automatic download. Method 3. Activate by phone. Call Verizon's activation line, 877-807-4646. They'll ask for SIM card number, IMEI, your account PIN. Once they verify your info, your line usually activates in a few minutes. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So yeah, that's how you activate your Verizon SIM or eSIM. If this helped, drop a comment and hit that like button. It really helps the channel.